guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this cool toned silver glitter look. One of you guys requested it in the comments and I saw it, and we haven't created a look like this in a while, so I don't even know if we have a look like this on our channel, but if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing, as always, is priming my eyelids, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm just applying a nice even base all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to grab my damp beauty sponge and further blend it out and set it with a little bit of translucent powder. And one of the only cool toned eyeshadow palettes that I have is this one by Shop by Voss, the Taupe Notch palette. And I love this palette for creating cool toned looks because, as you can see, there's a lot of cool toned colors in this palette. So the first shade I'm going into is this shade right here called Taupe, which is a really cool toned, almost gray looking eyeshadow. I'm just picking up this fluffy brush and just applying this into my crease. And we aren't going to be doing any winged liner or winging out the outer corner, so try to keep it as circular as possible. The shape of this transition color, just try to hug the natural crease. And then I'm going back into this angled brush and I'm going to be mixing Taupe and Royal. I just wanted that transition color but a little bit darker and a little bit more on the brown side. So I'm just drawing a line on the outer crease and I'm just bringing this in halfway, and I'm first going into the outer corner, making sure that it's most pigmented on the outer corner, and then with whatever's left, feathering that inward. And then I'm picking up this really small tapered brush and some more of that transition color and just going in left and right motions and really buffing out and diffusing that line and just really giving it a smoky look. So next we're going to be doing a half cut crease. So I made sure that this concealer and this angled brush was had the most product on the inner half of that lid and the inner half of that crease. So definitely apply the inner half of this cut crease first, and then with whatever's left over, dab that brush to kind of apply it in a blended way. So I kind of struggled finding the perfect silver shadow for this look because I had a very specific look that I had in mind. So I had to pick up this BH Cosmetics Foiled Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette, and I picked up the silver shade. It ended up being the perfect shade for this look, and I did wet that eyeshadow with a little bit of Fix Plus, and it was extremely pigmented. And then for glitter glue, I'm picking up my Too Faced Glitter Insurance, and here I'm just showing you guys how I applied that glitter glue. For this look, you have to apply the glitter glue in a blended way because the glitter that the way that we apply this glitter is going to be very important. This glitter is Shop by Voss Venus. So similar to how we cut the lid, we're going to be applying the glitter in the same way. So we want the glitter to be the most pigmented on that inner corner. And then with whatever's left on the brush, do tapping motions just to kind of make that glitter look gradient, how it's fading out into that outer corner. And then I'm picking up the same shades that we applied in the crease and just buffing that onto the outer corner. And then peeling off the tape. And for lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella lashes in the style Bali. The link to check out those lashes will always be in the description box down below. And then for the lower lash line, I wanted to keep it very simple. So we just applied that first taupe shade and then the same two shades that we applied to apply that defined crease line. I just buffed that onto the lower lash line. And then my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes. And for my inner corner, I applied my Makeupforever Star Lit Powder number 13. And then I'm just running my spoolie through some bar soap and then through my brows. And some of you guys don't like the way this looks. Some of you guys were like, just use brow gel. But I personally love how my brows look like this. So I'm just going to continue to do my brows how I like to do my brows. But yeah, that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I really hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful, and I hope that you guys learned some tips and tricks. Definitely always leave your suggestions in the comment section down below, because we always look at the suggestions and we always try to do them for you guys. Also, if you guys are new to our channel, we have monthly giveaways. So make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below to be automatically entered for our giveaways. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!